This is Gina Bagnani with Systems Implementation Office, and I'm going to present the revision to FDM 2020, Chapter 126, which will be reflected in FDM 2021. The general changes to the FDM Chapter 126 are changing the title from lane elimination to lane repurposing will give positive perspective to public, meaning we are not eliminating a lane, but rather we are repurposing the lane for other uses. We also reorganize the application process by keeping the project initiation process together in a step 1 and separated the process for district review and placed it in a step 2. Systems Implementation Office has developed a lane repurposing guidebook and was released in August of 2020, and we have made a reference to this document under section 126.1 General. We have made it a statement to reference when lane repurposing projects are usually done and how to identify them during different statewide and community plans. In section 126.2, under requirements, we have added a few more items to the list of impacts, such as complete streets context classification, landscaping, target design, and posted speed. In section 126.2, under requirement, a new reference for coordination with the Office of Modal Development or Public Transit and local transit agency was added. That reference indicates if exclusive bus lanes or business access and transit bad lanes are proposed in lane repurposing project, then additional coordination with Office of Modal Development or Public Transit and local transit agency will be needed. New reference was added to the Urban Boundary and Functional Classification Handbook by providing a link to the FDOT Transportation Data and Analytics website. Under section 126.3, we added a brief description of the application process and forms. This item number 3 was part of step 2 previously, but now it is organized to keep all coordination between the applicant and the district at the project initiation. This item number 5 was also part of step 2, but we moved it to this section to keep all coordination between the applicant and the district at the project initiation. This language was added to clarify the preliminary process, which is now called District Preliminary Review. In section 126.3.3, under Final Review and Approval, the signature of the District Planning and Environmental Administrator was added in item 1 to match the form in Chapter 103. Previously, we had Form A, which was the initial meeting, and Form B, which was the methodology checklist. These forms have been combined to one form, and it is now called Form A, Initial Meeting and Methodology Checklist. In the updated Form A, we have added public involvement and clarified the speed considerations. This form was Form C, but with Form A and B being merged, now is Form B. In Form B, we have inserted more space to provide more information regarding the project. This language was modified in FDM Chapter 103 to match the process in FDM Chapter 126. Previously, formal application package was a recommendation, and now it is a requirement. We also added plan view to be part of the concept report. This form was Form D, but now is Form C with Form A and B being merged. In Form C, we have inserted more space to provide more information regarding the project. In Form C, we have added access management classification, target, design and posted speed, and transit facilities information and attachment to have a more complete package. These are the highlights of the changes to FDM Chapter 126. Please contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.